So now we're hopefully up and running. Okay, so we just did number 19. Okay, so skip number, was that number 20? Okay, number 21. I want to make sure we haven't forgotten this from last Friday, okay? Just in general, how do you get rid of things? Yes, ma'am? You do the opposite. Good. So far, we've added and subtracted, we've subtracted and added. Now we're going to start multiplying and dividing, okay? If you're multiplying, the way you get rid of it is by dividing. If you're dividing, the way you get rid of it is by multiplying. Fantastic, okay? That's a huge thing. The way you get rid of things is by doing the opposite. So we look at number 21, it says 5g equals 20. Here's what you don't do. Here's what some students will do. They'll go, you have to get rid of the 5. Is that correct? You have to get rid of the 5?
No.
We don't have to get rid of the 5?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then they'll say, okay, so you minus it.
No.
No. What does 5g mean? 5. So how do you get rid of it? Divide. And the way you show division is by drawing a fraction. Remember, divide by 5, cancel. G equals 20 divided by 5, which is 4. And I haven't said this yet today. I want to make sure I haven't forgotten it. Is this problem done?
No. Yes.
Why?
Easier
G's alone. G's all by itself. And they ask us, I think, what did we do? We divide by 5. Divide each side by 5. 23. Okay. 23, it says solve P divided by 5 equals 3. Okay. I don't like the way this is written. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but normally we don't write P and then divide some. We write it as P over 5. Okay. What do we get rid of here, the 3 or the 5? Right. Why don't I get, could I get rid of the 3?
Yes.
But why do you want to get rid of the 5?
Because you want to get P alone.
Right. 3's on the other side. We don't care about that. So how do I get rid of that 5?
Time.
Why? Why is it times?
Because it's the opposite.
Right. We're dividing, so we times one side by 5?
Both.
Both sides. The 5's cancel. P equals 3 times 5, which is 15. And that's done because
Yes.
P is by itself. Okay, let's look at number 25. 25, solve. Negative 8r equals 64. And again, here's what some students will do. They'll go, well, we need to get rid of, what, the 64 or the negative 8? Negative 8. And they'll say, oh, you add 8 to each side. What does negative 8r mean? Negative 8 times r. So what's the opposite of timesing by negative 8? Dividing by. Not 8. Negative 8. Negative 8, okay? Back here, when you divided by we had 5, we didn't divide by negative 5. We divide by what we're trying to get rid of. We're trying to get rid of negative 8, we divide by negative 8. I'm glad you said that, though. I just want to make sure, because there's probably other people that might do that. Okay? These cancel. 64 divided by 8 is 8. So 64 divided by negative 8 is negative 8. We going too fast, too slow, just right?
I don't even know how to do it. Because I got behind. and
Okay.
then-
Are you caught up now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So on this one, Ross, right?
Yep.
You're up, okay? So on 27, it says, the x, x over 6 is 8. Okay, is x all by itself?
No.
What's with it?
6.
And fractions mean divide. What's the opposite of dividing by 6?
Multiplying.
Yeah.
By? By what?
6.
Yeah.
So times
Why?
6 here,
No.
times 6 here. These
Mine go,
cancel,
I'm the nerd, not
and this is x equals 8 times 6,
you.
which is 48. Okay, Ross is up here still, guys. Is this problem done or not?
No. Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Does X is by itself.
Yep.
I didn't even see your lips move, man. Good job. Of course, I can't see your lips move. You got this thing over them. So,
That's Ryan's talking.
29. I'm going to do this for people that are at home watching this video. We're going to go as far as we're going to go all the way through the rest of this, and then I'll give you guys time to work on this before this thing kicks me off again. So I'm going to wrap this up.